Quick note: this is an automated educational summary of public medical sources, Mayo Clinic, the NIH, and MedlinePlus. It is for tracking your health markers, not medical advice. Always confirm results with a licensed clinician. Did you know you might have up to $3,150 sitting in a tax-free account right now? And there's no doctor visit required to use most of it? According to the IRS and MedlinePlus, eligible FSA items include everything from home blood pressure monitors to vitamin D tests you can order online today. In this video, we're walking through the exact items you can buy, real pricing from major retailers, and the step-by-step process to order right now. No appointment necessary. Let's start with the basics. An FSA, or flexible spending account, is a special savings account that your employer offers where you contribute pre-tax income specifically earmarked for medical expenses. For 2025, the IRS allows you to contribute up to $3,200 annually. Here's the critical part. Any money you don't spend by December 31st is forfeited. You lose it. So FSA isn't just an account. It's a use it or lose it program. Your employer sets up the program, and you decide how much to contribute each year during open enrollment. Not everyone has access to an FSA. According to the IRS, FSAs are employer-sponsored benefits, which means your company has to offer one. If you're self-employed or your employer doesn't provide an FSA, you don't have access. But if your employer does, you're eligible if you're employed full-time or part-time with that company. Some companies even offer FSAs to their spouses and dependents under a family plan. The first step: check with your HR or benefits department to confirm whether your company offers an FSA and what your enrollment window is. According to the NIH and MedlinePlus, many at-home medical tests qualify for FSA spending. Home blood pressure monitors range from $30 for basic models to $150 for advanced versions. Glucose monitors typically cost $50 to $80. Cholesterol tests, $30 to $50. Pregnancy tests, under $20. COVID and flu test kits, $15 to $25. Pulse oximeters measuring blood oxygen, $25 to $60. Sleep monitors, $40 to $150. The key? The device must be FDA cleared for medical use, not general fitness tracking. Most major retailers like Amazon and Walgreens flag these items as FSA eligible, making them easy to find. Beyond devices, MedlinePlus lists over-the-counter items that qualify. First aid supplies like bandages and wraps, $5 to $20. Pain relievers and fever reducers, $5 to $15. Allergy medications, $8 to $20. Antacids, $3 to $10. Cough and cold medicines, $5 to $15. Contact lens solution, $8 to $15 per bottle. Hearing aid batteries, $10 to $30. Feminine hygiene products, $5 to $20. Medical-grade sunscreen, $10 to $25. The great news: all these are in stock at Amazon, Walgreens, CVS, and Walmart, with same-day shipping options when you use your FSA card. Here's the exact process. Step 1. Log into your FSA Administrator portal to check your balance. The link is on your employer benefits page. Step 2. Visit a qualifying retailer like Amazon, Walgreens, CVS, or Walmart. Step 3. Search for FSA-eligible items. The retailer flags them clearly. Step 4. Add to cart and at checkout select your FSA debit card as payment. Step 5. Complete the purchase. Your transaction posts immediately with same-day shipping on most items. No doctor signature needed. No prior authorization. No paperwork. The entire process takes maybe 5 minutes total. Let's talk real numbers. Say you buy a blood pressure monitor for $65, a glucose kit for $75, and a first aid kit for $40. That's $80 total. Normally, you'd pay income tax on that $180. According to IRS brackets, that's roughly 22 to 24% depending on your situation. Using FSA saves you about $40 to $45 in taxes on that single purchase alone. Over a full year with your complete $3,200 as FSA balance, you're looking at roughly $700 to $800 in tax savings. That's significant money staying in your pocket instead of going to the government. The Cleveland Clinic notes that most people make preventable FSA mistakes. Mistake 1. Buying items that sound medical but don't officially qualify, like general wellness vitamins or fitness trackers. Mistake 2. Missing the December 31st deadline and losing unspent funds. Mistake 3. Not checking the FSA eligible badge before buying online. Mistake 4. Assuming you can return items for refund. Once posted, FSA purchases are final. Mistake 5. Not coordinating if you and your spouse both have FSAs, sometimes resulting in overspending. Mistake 6. Forgetting to keep receipts for potential IRS audits. Plan strategically and check eligibility before buying. Your next step: log into your FSA account right now and check your available balance. We've put all the top-rated FSA-eligible products and direct retailer links in the description below. Click through and order today. You don't need a doctor's appointment, you don't need authorization, and you don't need to wait. Just order and spend that money before December 31st. What type of health tests are you interested in? Comment below and we will make a video about it.